Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off the videos that you see when you play songs on Spotify. So as you can see, if I select this, there will be a video. To turn that off, just go to settings, go to playback, and scroll down until you find canvas. Turn this off, and if you open this again, the sort of video will be off. But if you just go to data saver and enable it, the video won't be there too. Yeah, so if you want to turn it on again, make sure data saver isn't enabled to enable the video again on playback here. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!